Yes, students, now let's begin with the poem Wind. Wind, come softly. Don't break the shutters of the windows. Don't scatter the papers. Don't throw down the books on the shelf. In the first 4 lines, the poet depicts the destruction caused by the wind. He appeals to the wind to be gentle, not to break the shutters of the windows, not to scatter the papers, and not to throw the books from the shelf. Next, there, look what you did. Now, this is a tone in which he reprimands the wind. जैसे किसी को डांटते हैं ना, look what you have done. देखो क्या किया तुमने. तो he says there, look what you did. You threw them all down. You tore the pages of the books. You brought rain again. Now, in these lines, the poet reprimands the wind for the mess that it has created in the house. The wind has not only thrown the books but has also torn the pages of the books, which means that the books now cannot be read. And the poet also accuses the wind of bringing more rain because it will cause further damage to the house with broken shutters. All this mess in the house signifies the confusion and the turmoil which is brought in our life by the troubles and obstacles. Now, a physically and mentally, weak person will be defeated by this mess. That is, troubles and obstacles in life. But a physically and mentally strong person will face them and will try to find solutions of problems with firm determination. Now, next, you are very clever at poking fun at weaklings. Frail, crumbling houses, crumbling doors, crumbling rafters, crumbling wood, crumbling bodies, crumbling lives, crumbling hearts. Whatever crumbles, it means that is weak. Houses, people, animals, anything, weaklings, anything that is weak. The poet says, in these lines, the poet accuses the wind of making fun of the weak and fragile, be it people, animals, or houses, because they cannot protect themselves from the harshness of the world. The wind leaves people stranded by tearing down doors, even breaking the houses completely, breaking the rafters, etc. Now, this situation where everything is crumbling, this situation symbolizes that the troubles in life come as suddenly as the wind. And troubles also cause mental and physical destruction, like the wind causes here. The thing is that we should be ready to fight the difficulties of life if we have to survive.